snowstorms strike, only the toughest machines can keep roads clear. From massive plows to powerful icebreakers, these incredible snow clearing machines battle extreme weather to ensure we stay safe and mobile. First up, let's dive into rotary snowplows. They are engineering marvels specifically designed to tackle the most challenging snow clearing tasks. These machines feature a massive rotating blade assembly at the front, which slices through snow and ice with remarkable efficiency. As the blades spin, they scoop up snow and hurl it far away from the cleared path, ensuring that tracks or roads remain unobstructed. Originally invented in the late 19th century to clear railway tracks, rotary snowplows have since undergone significant advancements. Modern rotary snowplows are powered by high-performance diesel engines that generate immense torque to drive the rotary blades. These machines can handle snow depths exceeding 10 feet, making them indispensable in mountainous regions and areas prone to heavy snowfall. Some models are equipped with GPS systems and automated controls, allowing operators to navigate treacherous terrain with precision. Rotary snowplows are not only functional, but also a spectacle to watch, with their powerful blades throwing snow in mesmerizing arcs. Whether clearing railway tracks through alpine passes or keeping remote roads accessible, these machines are a testament to human ingenuity in the face of nature's challenges. Let's dive into how airports keep their runways clear. Airports rely on cutting-edge snow clearing equipment to ensure runways remain operational during severe snowstorms. These specialized machines include high-speed plows, powerful sweepers, and advanced blowers that work in synchronized fleets to clear snow with unparalleled efficiency. One remarkable innovation is the SnowWolf, a versatile multifunctional vehicle that combines plowing, sweeping, and blowing into a single system. Capable of handling vast areas in record time, the SnowWolf minimizes disruptions to airport operations and enhances safety for passengers and crew alike. In addition to their impressive performance, airport snow clearing machines are built to endure the harshest winter conditions. They are engineered with robust materials, advanced hydraulics, and cutting-edge heating systems to function seamlessly in sub-zero temperatures. Some machines are equipped with GPS-guided navigation and real-time monitoring systems, enabling operators to precisely manage snow removal across expansive runways. This technology ensures that airports remain open and safe, allowing for uninterrupted takeoffs and landings even during the most challenging winter storms. These machines exemplify the ingenuity and dedication required to keep global air travel moving smoothly, regardless of the weather. Extreme weather conditions demand exceptional snow removal machines, and the Caterpillar 980M and Komatsu WA606 stand out as champions of this field. These heavy-duty giants are equipped with reinforced blades designed to slice through dense, compacted snow and ice effortlessly. Their high-powered engines generate immense force, enabling them to move massive volumes of frozen material in record time. Operating these machines is a task fraught with challenges. Operators must navigate treacherous terrain, battle low visibility during blizzards, and even mitigate avalanche risks in mountainous regions. To ensure safety and efficiency, these machines feature heated cabs for operator comfort, advanced traction systems to handle icy surfaces, and real-time monitoring technologies that provide crucial data on terrain and weather conditions. These machines are indispensable for maintaining access to critical infrastructure like roads and railways during severe winter storms. Their ability to perform under extreme conditions highlights the ingenuity and resilience of modern engineering, ensuring communities remain connected and safe despite nature's harshest challenges. When winter storms unleash their icy wrath, there's one hero ready to tackle the chaos: mega powerful snow plows. These mechanical marvels are designed to dominate even the harshest blizzards, clearing roads and pathways with precision and power. Equipped with massive steel blades, state-of-the-art hydraulics, and engines that roar with over 400 horsepower, they slice through snowbanks like butter. But it's not just brute strength. These plows are built for efficiency and safety. Advanced GPS systems guide them through treacherous routes, while heated cabs keep operators comfortable during endless hours of work. Some models even feature salt spreaders and wing plows to widen cleared paths, ensuring every inch of the road is winter-ready. From city streets to remote highways, mega powerful snow plows transform winter's challenges into a smooth, safe journey. When snow falls, these beasts rise to the occasion, because winter doesn't stand a chance. When winter's icy grip takes hold, the Aero Snow Melter steps in as the ultimate game changer. This innovative machine is designed to quickly and efficiently melt away mountains of snow, transforming hazardous, slippery streets into safe, passable roads. Using a powerful combination of heat and airflow, the Aero Snow Melter can handle even the heaviest snowfalls with ease. What sets it apart? Its advanced technology allows for rapid snow removal without the need for harmful chemicals or salt. The snow is melted into water, which is then safely drained away, leaving behind no residue. With a sleek, high-efficiency engine, it operates quietly and with minimal environmental impact. Ideal for cities, airports, and large parking lots, the Aero Snow Melter is the go-to solution for fast, eco-friendly snow management. Say goodbye to snow piles and hello to clear, safe pathways, no matter how fierce the winter storm. Let's break some ice. When winter throws its fiercest storms and icy barriers in your way, the trackless Snowlion icebreaker charges in as the ultimate powerhouse. Designed for extreme conditions, this rugged beast is engineered to break through even the thickest ice and snow, clearing paths where traditional plows would struggle. With its unique trackless design, the Snowlion combines maneuverability and power, effortlessly navigating tight corners and narrow spaces without the restrictions of traditional tracks. Its massive, reinforced front blade cuts through ice and snow with precision, while the high-torque engine delivers unmatched power to keep it moving through the harshest environments. Whether it's clearing frozen lakes, icy roads, or snow-covered highways, the Snowlion is built to perform under pressure. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, it can lift, tilt, and adjust its blades to handle various snow depths and ice thicknesses. Plus, its onboard GPS and navigation systems ensure operators can safely and efficiently clear paths in even the most challenging weather. The trackless Snowlion icebreaker isn't just a snow removal machine, it's a symbol of winter resilience. When the elements test your limits, the Snowlion is there to conquer them, ensuring safety and accessibility in the most extreme conditions. When it comes to conquering the most brutal winter conditions, the Larue D65 stands as a true titan in the snow-clearing world. This powerful machine is engineered for maximum efficiency and durability, making it the go-to choice for municipalities, airports, and industrial sites that need to keep roads and runways clear during the harshest of snowstorms. The Larue D65 is equipped with a high-performance engine and advanced hydraulic systems, giving it the muscle to tackle even the heaviest snowfalls. Its large, robust plow blades are designed to push through deep snow and ice with ease, while its impressive speed ensures that it can cover large areas in a fraction of the time, compared to traditional snow removal equipment. What makes the Larue D65 unique is its versatility. It can be customized with various attachments, such as wing plows and spreaders, to handle different types of snow removal tasks. Its all-wheel drive and exceptional maneuverability allow it to navigate tight corners and narrow streets, making it just as effective in urban settings as it is on wide-open highways. With its heavy-duty construction, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched performance, the Larue D65 is a true winter warrior that ensures safe, clear roads no matter the weather. The Cotech PPCR is a cutting-edge snow removal machine designed to tackle even the most challenging winter conditions. Known for its incredible power and precision, this versatile machine is engineered to clear snow efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. Whether you're dealing with heavy snowfalls, icy patches, or stubborn snowbanks, the PPCR SKST delivers reliable performance in all situations. What sets the Cotech apart is its innovative design, which combines high-performance hydraulics with advanced snow-clearing technology. Its robust plow blades and snow blowers work in perfect harmony, breaking through thick layers of snow and ice, while the integrated conveyor system ensures smooth snow displacement. This allows for faster, more efficient snow removal across a variety of surfaces, from highways to parking lots. The Cotech is also equipped with state-of-the-art control systems, giving operators full command over the machine's movements and functions. With user-friendly interfaces and automated features, it ensures smooth operation even in the most extreme weather conditions. Built to last, the Cotech offers durability, speed, and efficiency, making it a must-have for any snow-clearing operation that demands top-tier performance in winter's harshest environments. When it comes to battling extreme winter conditions, the Overaasen TV 1000 stands out as a true leader in snow removal technology. This powerhouse is built to tackle the toughest snowstorms, ensuring that roads, runways, and highways remain clear and safe, no matter how intense the winter weather gets. The Overaasen is equipped with a high-performance engine that delivers unmatched power, allowing it to efficiently clear massive snowdrifts and thick ice layers. Its large, robust plow blades and powerful snowblower systems work in perfect harmony to ensure fast, effective snow removal. The machine's adjustable blades can be configured to suit various snow depths and conditions, making it incredibly versatile for different environments. What makes the Overaasen truly remarkable is its precision. It's engineered with advanced hydraulic systems and GPS navigation, allowing operators to control the machine with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's clearing airport runways, highways, or urban streets, the TV 1000 ensures that every inch is covered efficiently and safely. Built with durability and reliability in mind, the Overaasen is a true winter warrior, offering exceptional performance, even in the harshest of winter conditions. When snow strikes, this machine rises to the challenge. When winter's fury strikes, the Ariens RapidTrak is the machine that answers the call. Built for versatility and power, this snowblower is engineered to tackle any snowy landscape with ease. Whether it's a light dusting or a foot of snow, the RapidTrak ensures that you can clear your driveway, walkways, or even rugged terrain without breaking a sweat. What makes the Ariens RapidTrak stand out is its innovative track design. Unlike traditional wheeled snowblowers, the RapidTrak features durable rubber tracks that provide superior traction on icy, uneven, or hilly surfaces. This allows for smooth, controlled movement, even in the most challenging conditions. The tracks also distribute weight more evenly, reducing the risk of getting stuck or bogged down. Powered by a high-performance engine, the RapidTrak is capable of throwing snow up to 50 feet, making it perfect for clearing large areas quickly and efficiently. The adjustable chute and multi-speed transmission give operators full control over the direction and distance of the snow discharge, ensuring precise snow management. Whether you're clearing your suburban driveway or taking on the toughest winter challenges, the Ariens RapidTrak combines power, precision, and reliability in one rugged, all-terrain snowblower. When it comes to precision sweeping, the Ventrak is in a league of its own. This versatile attachment is designed to handle everything from light snow removal to cleaning up debris, making it an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness and safety in any environment. Whether you're working on sidewalks, parking lots, or even construction sites, the SSV broom is built to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. What makes the Ventrak truly remarkable is its combination of power, control, and flexibility. Mounted on the Ventrak 4500 series, this broom is powered by the same rugged engine, ensuring consistent performance even in tough conditions. The adjustable broom head allows operators to control the angle and pressure, giving them the ability to handle different surfaces and debris types with precision. From battling blizzards to clearing icy roads, these machines never back down. If you enjoyed seeing these winter warriors in action, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible feats of engineering.